out the motherfucking vet. I only wanna pull up on the bitch and she get wet. I took it down so good, leader. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.
What's good, Versatile Squad? As y'all see, we're in the front of the house. Hope everybody having a blessed day. Got the windshield tinted. She is looking nice. Big spaceship. Big spaceship. I like it. Today we actually taking the car back to Corvette World. Got to get these little body panels imperfections corrected. Also right here, there's a clip for each side of the car, and this one, whoever took the car apart last, no, I didn't do it in the video when I installed the lights. Make sure y'all go check it out. I'll throw it up on the card right here. But anyway, like I was saying, you see just right here, I already ordered these. I'm gonna go pick these up today. These are just clips, like I was saying earlier when I was on that side. They're just about 3 clips that go inside, and you just push the bumper on. So, and you can see it severely bad on this side. We're about to go get this corrected. I did say I'm gonna get a wrap, so might as well correct the little body panel issues right now. After that, got the carbon fiber side skirts I've been talking about. Stage 3 wicker bills going dumb up top right here. Gotta add it to the lip, gotta have it on the lip. I don't know, I might go gloss black for the lips. We're gonna see. I'll get back at y'all when we at the shop. Alright guys, we made it to Corvette World in Houston. Last time I was here, they did have a C8, a blue one to be exact, with black stripes, but I wasn't too fond of the black stripes. But the blue, with the blue interior, y'all, that junk was crazy. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and go in here, see what they got. Hopefully they'll let me go to the back and view the panels and show me the clips that are actually broken, because it's 3 orange clips that go down along the side of each quarter panel, and then you have screws along the top on where the weather strip is. If you haven't seen the video where I changed out the tail lights, Lamborghini Aventador tail lights from Vedlights, y'all go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna throw it up in the car right here. But we're gonna go ahead and head up in there, y'all, and see what they got to say. Hopefully they got some good news. They can fix it. Nothing's broken. They just gotta pop that thing back in place, y'all. But let me get back in. So these are the little clips I was talking about that are held on by the front bumper. Whoever took it off, they broke these. So that's the reason why it's not sitting all the way right. This is the blue C8 I was talking about last time, y'all. I actually walked right past it, didn't even see it. It's already sold. Got that blue interior that I was telling y'all about. Got the speaker in the middle. It looks like they still got Bose, y'all. There it is in the corner over there. Zoom in for y'all. Got the Bose system inside. Got the new rocker panel in the middle. Then you got the screen facing you. So they're like completely just deleted the passenger from the C8. This shit's crazy. Then you got the engine in the back. He got the customizers. He went crazy.
Maybe go take in a movie or some Black Friday specials.
I just don't like the black stripes. I don't know why. There's something about it.
Cabin fever sets in. You're hanging around all day with the family.
So they actually have 2 C8s. So 1 left if y'all want to come get it. Give y'all the price on that one.
Use that as an excuse to get out of the house this year. It's going to be way different. Walmart, Target, Home Depot.
Price of this one, 100,000. Yep, it is a Stingray 2LT with the front lift. Long Beach interior red. 2LT, so it's 1 notch down from the 3LT being fully decked out. So it does have the perforated seats. The passenger air controls, don't know where they're. I think they're right there on the bottom. And I think the clear glass is an option too as well. Yeah, for the back panel right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Sooner or later, y'all, I'm be in that. See, y'all, this is how a regular Stingray is supposed to look, a white one. But as you saw, I added the carbon fiber rooftop. We do got the bloody interior I want though. We're gonna add that too later. That's coming, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, that's coming. Most of them have that black strip in the middle. Mine has the Grand Sports striping on the side, which is this one right here.
Yeah, that's a customer's car.
This shark gray one though, this is the one I really wanted, y'all. I don't know what it is about this color. Then we do have that stage 3 wicker bill. That's coming too. Gotta match the carbon fiber side skirts. That was already on the way. I just stay tuned, y'all. Definitely getting these too. That carbon flash. It's a Z06 thing. 68. Oops. And they do got the performance seats. I'm thinking about it, y'all. Let me know right now down in the comments. Z06, trade in, or should I get the C8? Y'all let me know. Got a classic in the building, y'all. Ain't even got a price on it. Take out to the other side, y'all can see in it. Reflection bag right there. The only thing I don't like about these, they weren't that like aerodynamic back then. It's kind of like a bubble up top. The inside blue, y'all. Got no type of trunk in there. Should think about those for the garage, y'all. And since I am closing on the house soon, he will be giving me that poster.
Present from Mom.
Thank you, thank you.
Those though, they're really heavy. They're awesome.
Yo, we're outside of Corvette World. They're actually sending me to a body shop. You can't see it very well on this side. Let me take it out of this side. But actually, if you pull back right here, it's no longer connected to the bracket. So they're sending me to a body shop, which hopefully they could either glue it back to the bracket where the factory had it, or if not, I might need a whole bumper cover. Hopefully we ain't trying to do that, y'all. Look at these pictures they gave me for a home welcoming gift, y'all. Thank y'all very much, Corvette World. Look at this crazy Z06 that's right here. Got the carbon fiber canards. Got the carbon fiber springs. The wicker bill I've been talking so much about. I love this color, y'all. Look up. But yeah, y'all, we about to head to the body shop, see what they talking about. Hopefully they can give me an answer, y'all, because I'm really trying to get this fixed before I wrap the car. And I ain't trying to have no imperfections, spending all that money to get it wrapped. But I'm gonna get back at y'all when we at the body. Just got to the repair shop, y'all. Got this Grand Sports sitting stupid with the lip. You got yellow. Make sure y'all go follow that boy right there. Always giving free promo. Got the little Z06 joint in this thing. That's a C5, I think, C4. Still nice with the carbon fiber splitter. And then we got another white Vette, y'all. Sadly. Ooh, and then another blue one I didn't see over there. Shit. Crazy. And we got an old school Stingray right there. Looking like a Corvette graveyard, y'all. I don't like it. Had to get away from here. But basically what they told me is either whoever took it apart, which is Ace's Performance, I know, because they did my rear exhaust. I had them custom make it. So they didn't know what they were doing when they did that. And then as well, so they broke a clip on the right side, and then they just completely dislodged it from the bracket itself. So they're either gonna have to try to glue it and take it off and clamp it with some epoxy. Hopefully that works, y'all, and I don't end up needing a whole new bumper. And then for my front bumper, I'm gonna try to get it repainted here, since I already scheduled my wrap appointment. That's around October 5th. Y'all just stay tuned. So reveal it's gonna be around Halloween time, y'all. So give y'all a little hint, y'all know, take it into consideration. Take it with a grain of salt. What kind of wrap do y'all think I'm getting, y'all? Full body wrap? What color? Y'all let me know down in the comment section below. But yeah, y'all, if it ain't one thing, it's another with the Vette, man. But I'm just trying to get it back to 100% because a lot of this is me. I should have never took it to Aces Performance because they messed up on my boy's Hellcat DJ. He has a what is it, a 2016 2017 Hellcat he had got, brand new, damn near brand new, with like 5,000 20,000 miles on it. They fucked that thing up, y'all. He got headers, tune, think he cammed it as well, and I don't even think he got that car back yet, y'all. He gave it to him, I think, last Christmas. And it's about to be Christmas this year, goddamn. That's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. So if y'all have a high performance car, I would recommend not taking it to Aces Performance. If y'all are in Houston, y'all, take it with a grain of salt, y'all. I got the papers right here to prove it. I'm paying for it now, basically. So, but yeah, y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button down below. I'm gonna let that be the end of this video. Remember, stay versatile, y'all. Shoot every day like it's your Friday, man, and go at it like it's your last, because y'all truly never know when it can be and just be over like that for you, y'all. So might as well invest everything you got into whatever you doing, y'all, and go at it like it's your last, man. We out.